What happened when there is a combination like Venus plus Ketu in the birth chart? Venus plus Ketu in the birth chart means two negative energies coming together, or we can say two opposite energies coming together. Before you understand this effect of Venus plus Ketu in your birth chart, you need to understand the two important planets about the Venus and the Ketu. Venus is about luxury, Venus is about comfort and romance, and Ketu is about your past life, Ketu is about your detachment, and Ketu focuses more on the inward as compared to the outer world. So these two energies are really opposite to each other. So you have to channelize these two energies in the right direction in the birth chart to get the maximum benefit. So first, when Venus and Ketu sits in the birth chart, there is a very high possibility that you are going to get a lot of lessons through your love relationship. And when you fall in love with someone, through that person, you will get a lot of lessons. And that is where your transformation journey will start and your interest in the spirituality will start. So your loved one will become the reason for your interest in the spirituality. Ketu is a planet that focuses more on your inward. So once one you will fall in love with the wrong person, and that is where your interest into the spirituality will increase, and where your interest inward will be increases, your inclinations towards the meditation and the spirituality is going to increase. So when the Venus plus Ketu combination seen in the birth chart, there is a very high possibility when these people fall in love with someone, then they are very passionate about that love. They feel like that they met their soulmate, but gradually and slowly, some or the other thing will happen, and that relationship will not end on the good note. So Venus plus Ketu combination, if you have in the birth chart, then make sure that you're involving yourself into the spirituality, and you should not have a lot of expectations from the partner. It doesn't mean that Venus and Ketu combination you have, then that marriage will not work or the relationship will not work. Astrology is not a subject of the fear. Astrology, you have to understand with a logic. Like Venus is luxury and the passion, and the Ketu is a detachment. So this relationship can work if the Venus and Ketu are together in the birth chart. The relationship can work, but your involvement into the spirituality is very must. Make sure that you are doing meditation, you are praying to Lord Ganesha on the regular basis. As much as you are involved into the spirituality, your life will become little bit calmer, and you are going to see the peace in your relationship. And make sure that you are not keeping a lot of expectations from your partner. Try to have an honest communication with your partner. These all things also help you out to make your relationship better. So when the Venus and Ketu sits together in the birth chart, second important thing that you have to notice is what is the degree of the Ketu in your birth chart and what is the degree of the Venus in your birth chart. So let's say Ketu is sitting in the lower degree. Let's say the Ketu is sitting in the 5 degree in your birth chart, and the Venus is sitting in the 10 degree in your birth chart. That is are closely in conjunction with each other. And if you want to solve your relationship and you have such a type of combination in your birth chart, then first you should activate your Ketu. How to activate your Ketu? Like try to involve yourself into the spirituality. Even you can learn astrology. Learning astrology can also help you to solve your relationship with your partner. Astrology not only help you to heal, but it can solve a lot of your life problem. Or you can involve yourself in any type of subject which is connected to the research. Meditation is very must for you, and once you incline yourself into the spirituality, second step, you have to enhance your Venus. Make sure that you're wearing more, you have to wear more white color clothes. You have to on the regular basis, you are going out with your partner, should have an honest communication with your partner, and try to spend some quality time with your partner to enhance your Venus. Make sure that you should have self love. Make sure that you're spending time with your own self, makes yourself feel good. So if you are going to enhance, so degree matters a lot. You have to start with the lowest degree, and then you have to go to the highest degree, vice versa. Let's say you have a combination of Venus and Ketu together in the birth chart, but the Venus degree is 5 degree and Ketu degree is 10 degree in your birth chart. Then what you have to do to work on your relationship? First you have to do the remedy of the Venus. What is the remedy of the Venus? You have to wear more white color clothes, try to activate the self love, cultivate the self love, and try to donate more sugar and rice. Involve yourself into things that makes you happy. Once your Venus got solved, gradually and slowly your Ketu energies will be positively activated, and your focus will be started more in the inward as compared to the outer world. You stop taking validation from the outside about the relationship. Do things in your relationship that makes you and your partner happy. So these small things, if you are going to make you are going to invite these things in your life, and you are going to see a huge success in your life. Astrology is not made in such a way to give us a fear, like Venus and Ketu combination is there, so you may go through a divorce or the karmic relationship. But the best part of astrology is everything can be solved just with your conscious mind and small remedies. Share this video with your loved one. Har har